When they got us to America, they said we're gonna have none of that. They took our drum, brother. We were lost. White folks say these niggas will never see a drum in the United States. We saw what they did in Haiti with Toussaint Louverture and Dessalines whipping Napoleon's best army. That's why they want to keep on crushing Haiti, because they never want Haitians to infect us with the germ that they produce, the greatest warriors in the Western world. And this is why they keep on crushing Haiti. They don't want Haiti to come up. They are still paying Haiti back for destroying Napoleon's finest army. Over 40,000 of them died in Haiti from disease and from the conquering of black slaves, our brothers and sisters. And when Toussaint and Dessalines and the brothers conquered Napoleon's army, it was from that conquering, according to what I've heard, that the Louisiana Purchase was given or sold to America for $50 million, because they didn't have no more soldiers to guard it. They were wiped out in Haiti. So when you look at the Haitians, don't you say, here come them damn old boat people. What the hell did you come over on? You act like you flew in. Americans, they did us in, brothers and sisters. They took our drum, but they didn't stop there. They took our name, our language, our culture, our religion, our God, our history, our flag. Yeah.